the WiLab interface, you can measure wirelessly and via USB using sensors. The flexible solution supports BT sensors, giving you a greater versatility in your measurements. When used with USB cable, connect the WiLab with the computer and start coach. Then choose Measuring in Time. Connect a sensor with the WiLab. The sensor is recognized and ready to measure. With the temperature sensor, we will measure the temperature of hot water in this beaker. In Coach, we choose a diagram to show the measurement. Then we start the measurement and put the sensor in the water. The measurement is now shown in the diagram. The WiLab can be used with all devices as PC, iPad, Chromebook and mobile telephone, and is easy to connect and use. All BT sensors can be connected simply.